Part on means turning on only some of the points and thus part of the system. For example, your security company might configure your system so that when you use the part on function, only the exterior doors and windows turn on, whereas interior motion sensors do not turn on. To turn the perimeter on with an exit delay, open the main menu. Press on off. Press part on. Press part on delay. Enter your passcode and press enter. When the area is part on instant, opening a door, for example, creates an alarm event immediately. To turn the system part on without delay, open the main menu. Press on off. Press part on. Press part on instant. Enter your passcode and press enter. Use part on select to choose individual areas to turn part on or part on instant. To turn individual areas part on, open the main menu. Press on off. Press part on. Press part on select area. Enter your passcode and press enter. Press either on delay or instant. You can turn areas off simply by entering your passcode or by using the off menu. Opening the door starts entry delay time and the keypad emits a pulsing beep. Enter your passcode before the entry delay time expires. If you fail to disarm before the entry delay time expires, an alarm occurs. If this happens, silence the alarm by entering your personal passcode and pressing enter. Call your security company to notify them that you do not have an emergency situation. To disarm with your passcode, enter your personal passcode and press enter within 8 seconds of entering your passcode. You can use the turn off menu to turn off areas. To turn off areas, open the main menu. Press on off. Press off. Press turn off. Enter your passcode and press enter. Use turn off select to choose individual areas to turn off. You choose areas from a list of the areas in which you have authority. To turn off a specific area, open the main menu. Press on off. Press off. Press turn off select area. Enter your passcode and press enter.
Bosch, invented for life.